Do you know that you can work from home with no experience? I'll share with you smart ideas about working from home jobs that don't require any experience. They are the best remote jobs for beginners. Being self-employed means that you work 12 hours a day for yourself so that you don't work 8 hours a day for someone else. Once said German-American novelist Oliver Markus Malloy. Have you been hoping for self-employment but are not sure what to do? I suggest you search for work-from-home jobs, what we call online jobs. The truth is that so many people work from home thanks to the internet, making decent cash. The beauty about it is that you become the master of your own time, or, simply put, your own boss. You are probably asking, but I don't have any experience. Well, not every work-from-home job requires first-hand work experience. Some only need you to have some form of training or certificate, and that's about it. Without wasting any time, let's get into the list. But before then, if you are new here, welcome to Income Creatives. Subscribe now to continue receiving great videos like this one. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get informed every time I publish a new video. Also, be sure to check out your gift in the description below. You'll find excellent free resources that will change your life from good to the life you deserve. Now, here are 10 work-from-home jobs with no experience. Number 1. Online data entry. How about you make use of your fast typing skills and computer proficiency? That's all you need to do most data entry jobs. As a data entry clerk, you'll be performing data verification, research, general reporting, document scanning, and any other job that involves typing work. Overall, you'll need access to a computer and fast internet and sometimes a phone. The beauty about this is that you work flexibly from home. These jobs, sadly, don't pay much. On average, data entry clerks make $5 to $10 an hour. Some of the companies where you can find a job as a data entry clerk include SmartCrowd, Xerox, TDEC, ClickWorker, and Fiverr. Number 2. Remote customer service. So many companies hire remote customer agents to handle inquiries, complaints, and telemarketing. In most cases, you only need to be a good communicator and have some phone handling skills. You'll also need a computer and microphone-enabled headphones. Depending on the employer, you can pocket anything between $10 and $25 an hour as a remote customer representative. Some of the best places to land a customer service job as a beginner include Amazon, Working Solutions, Best Buy, American Express, Live Ops, Accolade Support, and ACD. These companies will mostly hire you based on your skill and capability and not your work experience. That's because they expect you to go through some basic training before you can actually join the payroll. You may start as an entry-level agent with customer service, but you can always climb the ranks to as high as a customer service manager or director. Number 3. Virtual assistant jobs. So many top executives, website owners, and business people hire workers to perform administrative and secretarial work from home. These workers are known as virtual assistants, and they are known to schedule appointments, take phone calls, plan for travels, and perform other duties assigned by their bosses. Overall, doing virtual assistant work requires you to be computer literate and possess good oral communication and writing skills. You also have to be a quick thinker and a problem solver. If that sounds like you, then consider looking for a virtual assistant job. You can find these jobs on Boldly, People Per Hour, Time etc., Fiverr, and Belay Solutions. You'll need access to a computer and a phone, and that's about it. As for the pay, it all depends on your skill and employer. You can, however, expect to make up to $20 an hour on average. Number 4. Freelance Writing. Experience is not a must when it comes to working as a freelance writer, provided you are creative, computer literate, and proficient in the English language. You can work as a freelance writer. As a beginner, you can make anything between $5 and $30 an hour. If you've never written anything for pay before, it's advisable to get some training. Luckily, there are many low-cost and free online courses that you can sign up for. Overall, freelance is vast and has so many opportunities for writers. You can write articles, sales copy, resumes, business proposals, grants, blog posts, ebooks, to name just a few. But where can you find freelance writing jobs? Consider signing up for a freelancer account of a freelance site like Upwork, Cantina, Fiverr, or People Per Hour. You can also check job boards like Indeed, ProBlogger, FlexJobs, or Blogging Pro. Number 5. Blogging. A passion for writing, exciting ideas to share, and a monetization strategy are what you need to start blogging. And you don't have to be an experienced writer or write full-time. You'll need a domain and a host, and you can get both on Bluehost at $2.95 a month. The money covers the hosting and gets you a free domain. Check the Bluehost offer in the description below. Remember, the domain name could even be your name or something related to your niche. Just make it short, catchy, and memorable. After that, you'll need to install WordPress as your blogging platform before you can start writing. As for monetization, you can do it with Google AdSense or affiliate marketing, or both. And once you gain some experience, you can sell courses, ebooks, or audiobooks. Note that it takes a while before you can start making meaningful cash. But once you start receiving traffic to your blog, the money will start coming. Number 6. Online proofreading jobs. Can you spot and fix misspells and grammatical mistakes on a text document? If yes, then you are ripe for proofreading jobs, even without experience. However, it would help if you have some form of training. Most employers expect you to be a native English speaker in addition to having some proofreading training or a degree in English or journalism. Depending on the job's complexity and your proofreading skill, you can make $10 to $20 an hour as a freelance proofreader. The good thing about freelance proofreading is that once you succeed in your first project, that counts as experience, and the more tasks you accomplish, the more experienced you become. You can find proofreading jobs on any freelancing platform, including Upwork, Guru, Fiverr, and People Per Hour. You can also try proofreading agencies like Edit Fast, Grammarly, and Proofreading Pal. Number 7. Online tutoring. With the rapid growth of the e-learning sector, online learning demand is greater than ever before. Many people sign up for online learning every day, which means more opportunities for online tutors. One area to give a go is ESL, English as a Second Language. You don't need teaching experience to be an ESL tutor on most platforms. You only need to be a native English speaker with a bachelor's degree in any discipline. Depending on who you work for, you can make $15 to $30 an hour teaching English online from home. So, where can you find the jobs? VIP Kid and English First lead the line, but you can also try Magic Ears, Preply, or Go Fluent. But what if you are a new graduate teacher? Then I recommend academic tutoring. Platforms like TutorMe and Chegg allow you to earn $10 to $20 an hour, helping students prepare for their exams or tackle their assignments. Number 8. Online transcription. Are you confident of your sharp ear and fast typing fingers? Then try working as an online transcriptionist. You'll need to listen to audio files, mostly recorded calls, oral interviews, and meetings, and then type down the details. Simply put, online transcription is audio-to-text conversion. Don't worry if you don't have any experience. With a free beginner course from Transcribe Anywhere, you can learn the basics, and the rest you'll learn on the job. Once you have the basics down and access to noise-canceling headphones and a computer, apply for online transcription on Rev, TranscribeMe, Appen, Scribby, or Daily Transcription. As a beginner transcriptionist, you can expect to make $8 to $15 an hour. Number 9. Online surveys. You don't need any experience to answer surveys online. All you need is an internet-enabled device, which could be a laptop, smartphone, or tablet. Surveys don't pay much, but they are hassle-free, and you do them from your bed, or the bus, or while you're walking. One of the best survey sites is Swagbucks. You spend 5 to 25 minutes on a survey there and get to make 50 cents to $5. 50 cents to $5. Upon signing up, Swagbucks will offer you a $10 sign-up bonus. Not only can you earn through online surveys, but also through shopping online, searching the web, and even watching videos. Inbox Dollars and MyPoints also allow you to earn the same way. Other excellent survey sites include Survey Junkie, Branded Surveys, Pinecone Research, and Vindale Research. Number 10. Usability Testing. You don't need any experience to test the user experience of websites or mobile apps. That's what usability testing is all about. You need to sign up on a platform like User Testing, Respondent, or Userlytics and wait to receive work. Most of these jobs take 10 to 20 minutes, and you can make $10 or more. You'll need access to a computer and fast internet, and at times a webcam. In addition to that, you'll need to be a good communicator and writer, as you may be required to write a short report after doing a video review. In conclusion, with the work-from-home jobs with no experience that I've just shared, you can start making money on the side. You can make as much money as you want with some effort. That's how huge the online job sector is. Before you go, here is another excellent video for you: online jobs from home without investment. Until next time, take care.